The accommodation was very easy to find due to all the information sent via the owner. It felt safe and secure. It was in close proximity to Monument and Bank Tube. It was also a 2-minute walk to a bus stop for Covent Garden area. There was a Tesco Express and a Superdrug 2-minute walk away.
I felt unsafe at night walking down the little alleyway as well as the last 300 meters on East Cheap as I was returning to the room late at night, after 23:00, and by that time of night it begins to become quite dark in that neighborhood.
This is really good value for money. It is safe, it is very clean, it has everything needed by travelers, and it is very comfortable. The location is absolutely great. I have never stayed more central for such a low price.
We stayed in room 2, which was a double and was on the top floor. It was a bit of a pain that the toilet allocated to our room was on the ground floor. It wasn't / a major problem, but be warned if you do book this room that you need to be prepared to run up and down the stairs.
After reading a couple of negative reviews online, I was a bit concerned about staying here, but there was absolutely no need to worry. I had the room at the top, number 3, and although small it was very cozy and had everything I needed and was nicely laid out.
The only big issue is that the separate, private toilet is actually 3 flights down, which isn't actually explained in the description. That is, it does say separate toilet but not that it isn't on the same level, which was natural to assume.